Hello everyone! Today, I am honored to introduce this high-performance ring saw to you. First of all, in terms of power, this ring saw is equipped with an efficient brushless motor, with a rated power of 3 kilowatts and a maximum load power of up to 5 kilowatts. It has strong performance and can easily handle various high-intensity cutting tasks. What's more impressive is that the total weight of the saw is only 10 kilograms, which is much lighter than similar products, making it easier to operate and more convenient to move. In terms of cutting capacity, its maximum cutting depth can reach 29 centimeters. It has a wide range of applicable scenarios and can meet various construction needs. Third, the saw blade installation design of this circular saw is very simple. It uses a drive wheel to directly drive the saw blade, and there is a fixed structure inside, which can effectively prevent the non-drive side from rotating, making the installation more stable and safer. Safety is a point we attach great importance to. This ring saw is equipped with a solid saw blade, compared with hollow saw blades. It fundamentally eliminates the risk of the entire saw blade flying out due to breakage, even if a breakage occurs under extreme conditions. The solid structure can firmly hold the cutter head, preventing the saw blade from flying out and ensuring the safety of operators. In addition, the saw blade design also integrates practical cooling and chip removal functions. There are 8 water channels on the entire saw blade, which can effectively reduce the working temperature of the saw blade and quickly wash away the mud generated during cutting. This not only extends the service life of the saw blade but also improves work efficiency. In short, this circular saw not only has strong power, lightweight, and deep cutting depth, but also performs excellently in terms of safety and durability. It is a reliable and efficient construction tool. Thank you all.